Today I'm going to do a review on Sparrows Scarab pick set. It comes in this little plastic container or cover here. It's in two pieces. And there are rakes, basically. There's the bedding on the rake. There's the other one. One has a short frequency, the other one has a long one. And they're unique to look at. Has a nice scarab on there, etched, or either silk screen, I can't tell. But it reminds me of this pick series of Sparrows, the Octopick, and Medusa, Lucky Par. Very attractive, but definitely would not be an everyday carry. It's too big to fit it in there. So actually it's really a specialty type pick and a novelty more than anything else. Is something neat to have. I'm going to be using it just as something to keep on my bench when I get a pentameter lock that I don't have a key for, or when I try to open it quickly, I'll maybe go to this and use these rakes to see if I can get it open. But other than that, it's just really, a novelty, I think. But let's go ahead and try and pick some locks with it. One thing I want to point out, all the tips on these. They are extremely sharp and can be dangerous when you're raking real fast and you push in and pull out and you miss the keyhole and you hit your finger, which I did right there. You can see, and over here somewhere too. So what I'm going to do for safety purposes is I'm going to wear this produce meat cutter's glove, woven with metallic fabric to keep a knife from penetrating. It probably won't keep these little hooks from penetrating in between there, but at least it will help deflect it and protect my fingers and hands. Let's get this on. Okay, it's going to make it hard to hold the locks and the picks, but safety first. Alright, the first thing we're going to do is this master, what is this? This is a 532 all steel padlock. It has 5 pins. And it is not cuttable. And let's get a tension tool out here. We'll give it a go. Metal on metal is kind of slippery, metal glove and metal lock here. We'll try one pick for a while, then we'll switch over. There we have it. One down. I have 5 locks here I'm going to try and open. And let's try this Yale. So YE140. And 2 is a 5-pinner. Let me try the left sided here, and where I'm not going to use that because it doesn't fit in the keyway very well. It's almost impossible to move it out because of the way it's cut. Bitting there. It's kind of high, and the keyway in this lock is quite small. And the bitting on this is low. So it should fit in the keyway better. There. And next we have our Brinks. And it is also 5-pinner. And this has a wide keyhole, so I can use a wider, thicker turning tool. But it has a narrow bevel area, so I'm going to try again the right pick because I think it will fit in there better. That was quick. Okay, now the last two are wafer locks, and we'll see how well they do on a wafer versus a pentameter. It's an old Yale. Just turn the key in order to get the shackle in. So lock it up. And it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 wafers in there. That's the keyway. Alright, let's see here. Use the wide tension. That's an arrow. Fit this one in there. We have that open. And last, this is an old Taylor. It's a good snap to it. Bitting on the key. Hard to see that, but I think it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Also, looks like all these locks are 5s. Okay. Let's try the left-sided pick on this, just for kicks. This is the wider, higher cutting bitting. There we have it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 locks, various models, makes, and styles. And the Scarab seems to do fairly well on these. It probably won't do very well on those that have multiple security pins in them, even though the Brinks might have 1 or 2, and then Yale here may have. I don't know about the Master, but it was pretty much fun, and I enjoyed it. I hope you did too, and I'll see you again.